Today, we're going to go over how to draw odd ones out in boxing gear. The YouTuber Odd1sOut is going to, it's hard to say that, is going to box in a month or so. So this is a video of support. We're going to draw him, his character in boxing gear. So pretty much it really simple. So if you're completely brand new to drawing, you will 100% be able to draw this. So stick around and all the way to the very end of the video, okay? Real easy. Alrighty, so let's do this one, alright? So first I'm going to start with his boxing glove, because it's going to be kind of toward the front of his body here. I'm going to go over here and draw a curve, kind of thumb area. I'm going to go over here, curve for the large padding area of boxing glove. Alright, going to fold down, and I'm going to kind of take this all the way over here to the hand area. Line out over here for kind of the cuff area of the glove, and down. Right on. Sweet. All right, let's go over here to the head. I'll go like curve line for Odd1sOut's head. Curve over here, and curve over here for his head. He's gonna be guarding, right? So, all right. Gonna go over here and draw circle for one eye, circle for the other. Smile here for the top, or the top of the mouth. Line over here, his mouth is closed there. And then we're going to go over here, we're going to draw the curve of the eyebrow here. Curve right there, and curve right there. He's ready. He's ready. Right on. Gonna go over here on this side, and I'm going to draw a curve here for the arm, and over here on this side, curve over here. So curve right there. Alrighty. You're gonna have the other hand out in front, so I'm gonna draw the other arm line over here. Line over here. Curve line underneath, up for the cuff of that other glove. And on this glove, you're going to kind of see the inside of his hand, right? So I'm going to draw curve over here for the thumb. Line over here connecting. Curve around here, curve up right there. And curve back up here. Right on. Line down. Line down. And right there with the shorts. Beginning of the shorts there. Whew, alrighty. Let me know if you're going to watch the event. I'm really curious if you guys are going to watch it. I think I am going to watch it, I'm pretty sure, but yeah. Line over here. Down for the shorts. Down over here for the shorts on this side. Curve right here, up. Line over here for the shorts. Down, curve up. Down over here. Down over here. We're going to draw the foot now. Curve for the top of the foot here. And we're pretty lucky too, because he's got like a pretty, simple, repeatable design. So that's what's kind of the cool part about, I think, this. And over here, don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification on the channel, and hit that like button if you do like. Maybe I'll do more videos on Odd Ones Out, or another YouTuber. You have to, let me know in the comments section, okay? And I'm gonna reply to every single comment. All right, so do it. Curve around here, essentially for this repeated pattern over here on this foot. And a little bit of thickness there because I like to even them out, And let's put a stripe down here. A thinner line right here, thinner line right here. For stripe, you're gonna see on this side of the shorts. If you want, you can throw one across over here as well, but that's good enough. That is the odd ones out in his boxing match. That's coming up in a month, I think. Man, I can't remember. Forgot the date of it. I think it's May something. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are amazing. Do me a huge favor and say hi to me in the comment section, if nothing else. And or if you want to help the channel out, share the video or donate to the channel right here under the I have the PayPal there. Everything goes toward the channel. Every single thing goes toward graphics, toward editing, toward especially markers because I burn out of these super fast. That's pretty much it. Talk to you later, and I'll see you very, very soon. And stick around for the color right now. See ya. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.